we are here to represent a topic given by sir that our India is a superpower, whether it is true or false, or whether it is the paradox. Okay.
So our team is present the paradox or how our India become power, superpower.
I think it is true that we became the superpower because the manufacturing, our India becomes the manufacturing hub. Okay, what do you think about it?
Yes, it is a point to India become a powerful.
Yeah. Okay. And recently our Prime Minister has launched the 5G network.
Yes.
So because of that, we can increase our connectivity. So it would help to connect to the other countries as fast as possible.
Now there is one paradox.
Okay. What kind of paradox is there?
It's true that 5G increases our connectivity, but it also hurts environment.
Yes.
Yeah.
As we can see, birds are getting less in number,
Okay.
and due to its frequency, they are dying. So it's not completely true that it is very useful.
Okay. And day by day, our defense system goes on becoming the stronger in comparison with the developed countries. So it is the main wing of our India. If it would become the stronger, then definitely we would become the powerful country in the world. Okay. So I think this is a valid point.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you think about it?
Yes, it makes a point, but when India purchases some ammunition from other countries, then our currency goes to their currency.
Other state. Okay.
So our GDP is decreased.
Okay.
And so when we purchase some ammunition, so less amount of our currency goes to internal development of country.
Yeah, yeah.
So
I think our Indian government has launched one scheme, Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Yes.
Regarding that, we have just started investing in the armory factories. So we can invent or we can architect our own armories and we can sell out to the other countries. So that's why their currency comes in our country. So it would helps to become our India great. Yes, no? And do you have any kind of points regarding it?
yes, I think it's completely true.
Our India should work on health also and education system also to become
Okay.
powerful also.
Yeah. I think. Do you have point any? Okay, fine. I think we are just lagging with the power demand. Okay, in our rural area, the power is not supplying with that kind of efficiency. So that, as earlier I said, that manufacturing hub. Okay, regarding that, our youth investing their time or investing their money in the new startups, new entrepreneurship.
Yes.
Okay, they are just started to invest their monies on the renewable sectors, just like solar,
Yes.
just like electric vehicles. It would help us to increase our gross domestic production, which is the GDP, and it leads to increase our sustainable development also. So it would definitely helps to increase our economy. So definitely our India would become the powerful. Okay.
India is the most of invest the stock markets.
Yeah, that is a great point. I think the people belongs to the developed countries. I think someone told that yesterday 66% people had invested their money in the online market, just
But
like share market,
in
stock
our
market.
country, most of the youth are not aware about this.
That okay. So I think our Indian government, or it is our responsibility to increase the awareness among the people to invest their money in the online markets also.
Other countries accept the currencies, just bitcoins.
Yeah. That's the point. Okay, fine.
Do you fear to get engaged in conversations? Afraid of stage? Due to this, losing big career opportunities? Then we are here for you. Oxbridge Spoken English Academy. Feel the fluent speaking, basic grammar, spoken English, stage courage, personality development. Then hurry up. What are you waiting for? Oxbridge, your search for spoken English training ends here.